Have you seen any changes with your kids whenever they've had excessive screen time?
Of course, she wouldn't do normal activities that she would otherwise do. I noticed that she was getting more and more addicted to the screen, especially like one kids channel that is Coco Melon.
बच्चा कुछ भी कर रहा हो, but वो अगर पीछे से music बजेगा, they'll be like, ah!
Yeah.
My best was Miss Rachel. Like, she was our God
Oh.
sent savior.
Our kids who are born now, are post 2012, they are born with screens around them.
यार मेरा बच्चा नहीं खा रहा, चलो let's entertain them. And सबसे पहले entertainment में क्या आता है? Screen. I'll tell you what happens. उनको लगता है जैसे ही खाना खत्म होगा, screen भी off.
वो भी है. We never watch TV when they are awake.
One thing that has really helped us is switching the same content that she has been watching on screen to audio.
When I had two kids, the sibling pairing is a great way to entertain each other.
जब टीवी ऑफ होता है उसको बहुत मेल्टडाउन्स होते हैं. She's like 5 minutes more and 4 minutes more.
Yeah. Over sexualization of content is also causing a lot of mental health issues, physical health issues in children.
Girls are getting their periods much faster.
Yeah,
as our
they are
times.
getting their periods at the age of 8 or 9.
Oh my god. Okay, Neha. So, my first question. Have you seen any changes with your kids whenever they've had excessive screen time?
Yes, for sure, for sure. So with my older one, she was about a year and a half during
Mhm.
the 2020 pandemic time. And everyone knows that we all were stuck at home and couldn't meet anyone, couldn't go out. So we all obviously screen time had increased at that point, and she was very young. It didn't happen out of choice, but sometimes just out of no other option, and we didn't have any help as well. So of course, after a point, I noticed that she was getting more and more addicted to the screen. She wouldn't do normal activities that she would otherwise do
Mhm.
if there was no screen in front of her, like eating or like even listening to us. And then that whole negotiation battle started happening.
Hmm.
And at that age, it was very scary for us as parents. So definitely her behavior had changed, and then we had to resort to some other alternatives. What about you?
Yeah, I think I've noticed whenever she gets excessive screen time, her sleep is like totally, it goes for a toss. I've seen that she wakes up multiple times as compared to when she has like
Mm,
not had enough screen time or like, not any screen time throughout the day.
yeah.
Definitely that. But I've also heard like incidences like, from my friends and other members where they've shared their story of, how their kids had some kind of a delayed speech because of excessive screen time during the most crucial years, that is like around 1.5, right?
Yeah.
So of course it didn't happen with me, but I've heard, मतलब उनसे सुना है मैंने कि ऐसा उनको डॉक्टर ने बोला था.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure like that could happen, especially like one kids channel that is known specifically for all these things is Coco Melon,
Mm.
which is like it has, I don't even know how many, probably like billions of views by now,
Mm.
but of course many subscribers, and it was also one of the first ones that came out, right? And now it has like rhymes and stories and so many characters, and that music is so like attractive to kids somehow that even if they listen to it
वो
somehow.
जो रील्स आती हैं, राइट?
हाँ.
कि बच्चा कुछ भी कर रहा हो, बट वो अगर पीछे से म्यूजिक बजेगा, they'll be like, ah!
Yeah,
They'll run to the
literally I've seen babies in diapers like running or crawling also listening to that.
Yeah.
So do you have any experience with that?
So with Cocomelon, like I had already done my research where everybody said that, too much flashing lights or like too much flashy stuff on the TV is not really good for your kids.
Yeah.
तो मैंने बहुत कम उसको Cocomelon दिखाया, like maybe just a few rhymes where it's like weeds on the bus
Hmm.
and a few more rhymes about like some of these. I don't even remember because honestly she's not watched Cocomelon a lot. Like she wouldn't even know the characters. So Cocomelon definitely not shown her. She's heard it on like
Audio.
audio, but not enough of like screen time with Cocomelon. My best was Miss Rachel. Like she was our God sent
Oh.
savior.
I know. Seriously.
Yeah. And I've like firsthand I feel that she learned a lot of words from her, like even sign language. And
Hmm.
अब तो of course नहीं करती sign language because school में थोड़ा थोड़ा ही सिखाते हैं, ज़्यादा नहीं.
Hmm. Hmm.
But at that time, like she would say more or like I think water, like all those signs she
Okay,
used to do,
okay.
and she learned all of that because of Miss Rachel.
Miss Rachel is actually really good. Like कभी-कभी लगता है कि it looks so funny when she talks like that, but for
Hmm.
kids of that age, it's a very good learning tool. Even I showed
Yes.
it to my kids. मुझे तो बहुत बाद में पता चला, but
Yeah.
जितना भी था like
It's more
they
recent, Abhi, and then she got
yes.
more popularity now as
Yeah,
compared to
yeah.
earlier, right? And also, I was like reading her story with Miss Rachel. She had the same problem. Her son
Hmm.
was not speaking as compared to other kids of his age, and
Okay.
that's when she felt, there's a need of more of educational videos on
Hmm.
the internet,
Yeah.
and she is a, I think she's a teacher.
Hmm.
Her
It,
background is
I
a
could
teacher,
sense
है ना?
that. Yeah.
So that's when she thought कि चलो मैं अपने बच्चे के लिए, let's start making videos for him, and then it just got popularity, and and hats off now, like of course she's
People are
doing so
dressing up in Halloween as Miss
Miss
Rachel.
Rachel, yeah.
That's amazing
And that's a
actually.
big deal, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely not any flashy stuff. I highly recommend, don't show your kids with
Yeah.
like fast moving characters and like lots of flashy stuff.
But then what about times when parents don't have help, when the kids
Hmm.
are too small, when they have to manage their work, their house, the child, other stuff, और उस टाइम कभी-कभी होता है कि there's no option, तो चाहे हम जितना सोचे नहीं देना है, पर कभी-कभी होता है कि यार दे दो थोड़े टाइम के लिए।
हमेशा होता है, इतनी बार होता है, लाइक आई थिंक एवरी डे मुझे ऐसा चैलेंज लगता है कि एट टाइम्स आई एम लाइक, अरे यार थोड़ा-सा स्क्रीन टाइम दे दो, बाकी का काम हो
हुँ।
जाएगा, एंड देयर आर सो मेनी ऑफ अस, लाइक वर्किंग
Yeah,
पेरेंट्स
yeah.
हू कैन नॉट हैंडल लाइक नॉट turning on the TV and just handling the kids and giving them
Yeah.
100% attention throughout the day.
And let's just accept that our kids who are born now,
Yeah.
are post 2012, which is considered generation alpha,
Hmm.
they are born with screens
Yes.
around them. Like
Yes.
us time pe bhi cell phones to the hi with
Hmm.
like camera and everything. So of course there's their life when they are like even when we were pregnant we would consume so much screen,
तब तो
right?
सबसे ज़्यादा होता है, I
हाँ,
feel.
तो we can't 100% blame them also because they are born in this world,
Yeah.
right? Uh,
That's why I feel screen free parenting, hats off to parents who are doing screen free parenting. Like it takes a lot of effort,
yeah.
but is like in this generation, is zamane mein, it's not really possible
या अगर
to
पूरा ही स्क्रीन फ्री करना है तो आपको प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम भी नहीं देखना
नहीं
चाहिए
देखना
बिकॉज बोलते
चाहिए.
हैं ना वो गर्भ संस्कार एक चीज होती है
Yeah.
सो योर इफ यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली वॉचिंग समवेयर योर बेबी इज लिसनिंग टू इट
Hmm.
एंड ऑल्सो लाइक होता है लाइक दैट कनेक्शन इज समहाउ देयर इन
There.
द मदर एंड द
Yeah.
बेबी
And वो तो आप अपने आप को रोक नहीं सकते. You're scrolling Instagram, you're doing everything. So
And again, chalo, once the baby is born also, and when the child is young, if you don't want the child to have screen, or if you want to be a screen-free parent, then I think you should be a screen-free. I mean, if you want the child to be screen-free, you should be a screen-free parent, which is almost impossible in today's
हम्म.
time. चाहे हम टीवी ना भी देखें, phones तो सबके हाथ में होते ही
होता
है.
ही है. Yeah.
तो
100%.
अभी अगर बच्चे देखते हैं तो दे विल ऑल्सो आस्क फॉर इट एट सम पॉइंट मे बी नॉट व्हेन दे आर बेबीज बट थोड़ा समझदार हो जाएंगे दे आस्क फॉर इट
Yeah, like they start pretending to like have those plastic phones, and they'll also pretend to
हाँ
talk on it, and they'll also pretend to like scroll on it, because उनको तो नहीं पता ना कि scrolling में क्या है
या या
in the beginning years. No, that's so true. Totally screen free parenting in our case, I feel, is impossible.
या
And I think that's why let's talk about how we are handling limiting screen free,
या
like screens in our daily
दैट्स अ बेटर
lives.
वर्ड
Yeah, limiting screen is a better word as compared to screen free parenting.
So coming to the behaviors of child when
Hmm.
in front of the screen, the most common thing जो मैंने भी face किया है वो है eating in front of a TV,
Hmm.
which is how it started with us during the 2020 period, where she wouldn't eat, and obviously toddlers are fussy or whatever, they have their own a mind
Phase.
of their own, yeah,
Hmm.
a phase. तो हमने भी on कर दिया TV, and then we realized it after a point it started becoming like she would not eat without TV or without some sort of entertainment.
No, the same thing happened with me, Neha. Like, after I think she turned like 14, 15 months, her eating habits were not the best. Like she would not eat. And I think it's a phase. तो उस वक्त क्या होता है, most parents they start thinking कि अरे यार मेरा बच्चा नहीं खा रहा, चलो let's entertain them.
Hmm.
And सबसे पहले entertainment में क्या आता है? Screen,
Hmm.
right? And you turn on the TV and you're like, अरे अब इसके सामने तो बच्चे अच्छे से खा रहे हैं. And then you're like,
Hmm.
चलो खा तो रहा है ना इसी बहाने, because you know the बच्चा is like in one place, they're not running around, so you don't have to run around,
Yeah.
and you can just keep feeding, feeding, feeding. So that
Yeah.
happened with me, I will not lie. And matlab, आई वाज इन अ वे हैप्पी कि चलो खा लिया, एंड घर पे भी सब लोग खुश थे, खा लिया ना, बस
Hmm.
तुम्हें और क्या टेंशन है, खा लिया ना। बट देन आई स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग शी इज नॉट रिलेटिंग टू फूड, राइट? उसको बस है
No.
कि ठीक है, मतलब खाने को मिल रहा है। ऑफ कोर्स शी वुड बी फसी एट टाइम्स, अगर कुछ बिल्कुल ही डिफरेंट दे दिया तो शी वुड नो कि ओके इट्स समथिंग डिफरेंट। ऐसा भी नहीं है कि लाइक शी वुड नॉट नो व्हाट शी इज ईटिंग, बट she would be most of the times okay eating anything we gave her, and the amount that she ate was quite a bit. Like
Hmm.
I was really happy कि अच्छा मेरा बच्चा अच्छे से खा रहा है,
But you
right?
know why that's happening?
Hmm.
It's because even as adults, when we, if you notice, मैंने ये खुद पे try किया हुआ है when I was try like really trying hard to lose weight.
Hmm.
Okay, I was trying to eat more mindfully, and which means that I was not using even my phone or TV or even like not reading anything while eating. तब मैंने notice किया कि मैं कम खा रही थी automatically because my full focus was on the food. I knew what I was eating. I was not distracted by anything around me, and
Hmm.
the sensors in my brain were telling me कि अभी पेट भर गया है, now you should stop eating. But when I sit in front of a screen, like at night, when we are watching a movie or like when we are munching something,
Hmm.
that's why they say that don't eat post dinner, don't sit in front of a TV and eat food because you'll end up eating more.
More.
Because our brain sensors stop telling us that your stomach is full, you should stop eating, and that's why you mindlessly keep on eating, and maybe
Hmm.
that's what happens to kids, and that's why they eat more than usual.
I'll tell you what happens. उनको लगता है जैसे ही खाना खत्म होगा स्क्रीन भी ऑफ
वो
होने
भी है,
वाला है।
वो भी
राइट?
एक है,
तो
वो
इसलिए
भी।
वो खाते रहते
या
हैं।
और धीरे-धीरे चबाएँगे
हाँ।
या अ, या
या मुंह
मेरे
में
साथ।
रखे रहेंगे एंड देन वी लाइक इधर से उधर करो, यू
Oh
नो।
God, that was like that would irritate me the most जब मुंह में भर के जो खाना रखते हैं कभी-कभी. Like
या।
Amira used to do that initially when she was a toddler,
Hmm.
and that's when we realized नहीं यार, screen is like not a good idea
या।
because आगे चल के then it will be very hard to get rid of that addiction.
या।
अभी तो हम बोल सकते हैं and she will mold into whatever we tell her easily.
Hmm. I
And
think that's why we like kind of started the schedule where like, acha, you want to watch TV, you get it before
hmm,
eating your food. Because any which way after dinner, she's going to be in bed.
yeah.
So we're like, okay, you get this much time of TV before dinner, and then after that, you have to be eating dinner at the table.
Hmm.
She doesn't eat that much, of course. As compared to when she eats in front of a TV, it's very less. But at least I know that she's eating by herself and she knows what she's eating. So
And trust me, that less quantity is also beneficial to her body and her growth compared to sitting in front of a TV and eating double of that.
hmm,
Because mindfulness वही होता है कि you're paying full attention and focus on what you're eating or that particular task that you're doing.
yeah, yeah. Also, like, we were talking about the physical aspect of,
Hmm.
the negative physical
Impact.
impact that happens with, TV. Eye strain, to definitely. And I noticed there was a time where Isna was like, my eyes are hurting. And I
Hmm.
was really scared. I'm like, it's not like I'm giving her a phone that she's
Yeah.
watching. She's watching it on a TV, but still, I was a little scared कि, उसके eyes खराब हो गई. And of course, the posture and
Hmm.
everything. That's why I prefer like not giving her a phone at all. What's your take on that?
100% kids should not be given phone until a certain age. I think जब उनका खुद का सेल फोन आ जाए तभी देना ठीक है.
Hmm.
If you want to show something to your child, just show it. Hold the phone in your hand and show it and take it back.
Hmm.
But I'm completely against it because there is a bigger screen. Why wouldn't अगर screen time देना ही है तो वो ही screen दो.
Hmm.
Why
Hmm.
phones? Phones are very personal and it's not just the screen. What if they press something
That is the
accidentally?
problem with, I mean, our phones, because we are not locking everything.
Yeah.
Accidentally, they press something, Instagram khul gaya, YouTube Shorts ही खुल गए,
Hmm.
and then it's like a whole world where they're like scrolling, 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 and I don't
Ooh.
want that, for her to know that okay, there is scrolling. Of course, she sees us, she's seen us,
Hmm.
and she now sometimes like she knows how to click the camera button and all, which she will explore, and I'm okay with it,
Hmm.
okay, but
Hmm.
I'm not okay with her like scrolling and like okay, next month, now this video, now that video. I just don't want that.
Yeah.
So I would rather like give it to her on a tablet. So I try to take my tablet whenever, I know that, I need to be engaged somewhere else, and I cannot entertain her for a longer duration.
Hmm.
So I give her that. Otherwise, of course, ghar pe to there are no tablets, no phones. It has to be on a screen, like
Yeah.
on the TV. Also, another thing which is like a big issue these days is YouTube Kids. It's not censored. as we think it is censored,
or
right?
some things can just bypass that
Yes, the filters.
accidentally, yeah.
Hmm.
Because जैसे हमने एक रील भी देखी थी जहाँ पे एक टॉय था, it was meant for, the whole reel was meant for an adult, but because they used a stuffed toy that was like a very funny toy,
And colorful. Yeah.
colorful, and then it bypassed that the filter, and it ended up in a lot of kids feeds, or kids were accessing it, and
Hmm.
उसमें कुछ harmful
So
chemicals
it was
से,
basically a puppet, like a Elmo puppet or
yeah,
something, and the puppet is trying to drink bleach.
yeah,
And then once the bleach is done, then they're showing that they're dead,
yeah.
right? So they can also try doing all of this in the house, kids.
Apparently, the kids have, some kids have tried to imitate that as
Hmm.
well. That's what the reel said.
Said.
So ऐसी तो बहुत कुछ चीज़ें हो सकती है,
Hmm.
which are very harmful.
Yeah, so I think that's why like monitoring what your kid is watching is also very important. ये नहीं कि बस TV लगा के and you're like okay gone with it, you're doing your
Hmm.
work. Put something that you know that your child is going to be, good to watch,
Hmm.
and like your child is okay, ठीक है 20 minutes हैं या जितने minutes का episode है, that's it.
Hmm.
Because if it's like just mindless watching of anything that's on the TV, of course I'm not saying that you guys are like anybody is like putting up any sort of wrong videos. You are like of
No
course
one
putting,
does
yeah,
that.
no one
It
does that, सब लोग
accidentally हो
accidentally
जाता
हो
है.
जाता है. But there are also like a lot of animated videos which are not like okay for kids. We
Yeah.
think कि ठीक है animated है लगा दो.
No, like my kids now, they're 4 and 5, so they don't watch all the like small kid cartoons anymore. So recently they started watching some superhero cartoon, which was
Hmm.
animated and not like not adult animation. It was more for kids itself. लेकिन उसमें मैंने देखा कि everything else was okay, but there was this one scene where this girl was she was shown to be a teenager, probably like 13, 14, and she had a crush on this boy, her friend. It was just a friend, but she had a crush on him, and she kept on like saying his name, and she was in a dreamland, और आँखों में वो हार्ट बन रहे थे, और यहाँ बबल आ रहा था जिसमें वो लड़की की फोटो थी, एंड वो उसकी फ्रेंड उससे बात कर रही है, एंड शी इज जस्ट लॉस्ट इन दैट ड्रीम वर्ल्ड,
Hmm.
एंड माय किड्स वर ऑब्जर्व वाचिंग दैट. जैसे ही मैंने वो सुना, आई टोल्ड देम टू टर्न इट ऑफ, डोंट
Oh,
वॉच दैट कार्टून अगेन, बिकॉज शुरू में 2-3 एपिसोड में कुछ पता नहीं चला कि ऐसा भी होगा उसमें.
yeah. Of course, and you cannot be sitting like every time they're watching TV. You don't know what's happening, but
But at least I make sure कि because like my TV area and the kitchen is connected, like it's an
okay.
open kitchen, so
Hmm.
whenever I'm cooking, they're watching. तो मेरी एक एक कान मेरा उधर ही होता है, बीच-बीच में मैं देखती रहती हूँ, just to
Hmm.
make sure कि accidentally they don't jump onto something that they're not supposed to watch.
Yeah. I think also another thing that I feel is, like of course being good role models for our
Yeah.
kids. तो I try कि जब वो होती तो मैं अपना कुछ कंटेंट नहीं देख रही होती हूँ टीवी पे,
Hmm.
because then of course accidentally भी कुछ भी words आ गए, and with Netflix I have not been like that censored at all now.
Yeah.
There's any type of गाली there.
Nonsense going on. Yeah.
So it's a little scary at times. They can pick up on words now, because I think she's picked up on shit. And I realized
Oh.
I use the word shit a lot,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So ये तो बहुत छोटी चीज़ है, तो
Hmm.
टीवी से तो बहुत देख सकते हैं. एंड आई नो लाइक मेनी पीपल दे लिव विद देयर इन-लॉज़, तो जब दादा-दादी कुछ देख रहे हैं तो बच्चा भी जा सकता है, बैठ सकता है एंड वो देख
हाँ,
सकता है.
हमारे घर में रूल है कि वी नेवर वॉच टीवी व्हेन दे आर अवेक.
हुँ,
The
करेक्ट.
only thing my husband watches is cricket, because sometimes that is just at a time when sometimes it's daytime over here,
हुँ,
but वो भी like they are not around that area, they are always in their room or somewhere else. But other than that, we never watch our shows when they are awake. We
या.
only watch it at night once they are in bed.
Same, that's what I was going to say. Like in our case, because I'm with my in-laws, so thankfully, like my father-in-law, first of all, he's always given like he gives preference to what Isna is watching. He's be like, okay, first you watch, then I'll watch, because he knows कि ठीक है वो देख लेगी, फिर I can have my own TV time. So she watches first, and then sometimes what happens is even if it's her TV time is over and he's watching something and उसको आवाज आ रही है, so he'll like shut the door, and that is like so it's not in the same room.
Yeah,
ये भी होता
yeah.
है कि अगर अलग रूम में टीवी है तो it
Hmm.
helps kind of. Otherwise, of course, the parents have to take the lead, and you have to entertain your child in a different way. You have to take them from the room. It's up to us. हम अपने in-laws को तो नहीं बोल सकते ना कि अब आप टीवी देखना ही बंद कर दो. They will not
Hmm.
understand, and
Hmm.
it's their me time. You can't expect everything according to your
Yeah.
schedule or routine or your child. So you'll have to definitely find ways to entertain your kids.
So one more big concern I have is because my kids are growing now
Hmm.
and they're watching stuff that is not very childish anymore. एक चीज मुझे किसी ने बोली भी थी. Someone DM'd me on Instagram and said that they read somewhere that over sexualization of content is also causing a lot of mental health issues, physical health issues in children also. Because, like I mentioned, that cartoon where the girl was dreaming about her crush and all, it's very subtle, but it puts that kida, that seed in the child's mind that aisa bhi kuch hota hai.
Hmm.
And then, of course, maybe right now she's 4 or 5. Once she's 6 or 7, kuch aur hoga jo thoda aur uh, over sexualization wala content hoga, and it's very hard for us to know that. Also songs, or
Hmm.
like if you just give your phone to your child and if they are scrolling, they can come across any kind of content where they are showing, like, I've even seen a lot of kids making a very inappropriate content, and when kids see other kids making that kind of
They feel it's
content,
okay.
yeah, they
It's
feel it's
normal.
okay, it's normal,
Hmm.
and that affects their hormones in some
Yeah,
way.
and that's why we were reading, and I think you told me that girls are getting their periods much faster as
Yeah.
compared to our
Yeah, they are
times.
getting their periods at the age of 8 or 9.
Oh my god.
Of course, there are many factors to it, not just the screen time,
Yeah.
but this is also one major factor. And it
Yes.
totally makes sense now when I connect the dots, that when you're constantly consuming content that is not right for your age, that invokes that spark in you, that, that hormones are affected.
No, I think it's going to be very it's a very personal information, but I remember as growing up, our parents used to be like watching TV, and जब भी कोई ऐसा scene आता था,
Hmm.
remember they used to be like, उधर देखो या they'll just change the channel
हाँ,
or
या
they'll
कुछ
like
बात करने
बात करने
लगते हैं.
लगेंगे or something, right? Because तब इतने कार्टून्स थोड़ा ना होते थे और ना हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें प्रेफरेंस देते थे कि आप कार्टून देख लो बेटा, उसके बाद आप सो जाओगे फिर हम टीवी देखेंगे.
Hmm.
It used to not be like that, right? So I think I saw a video, I think a clip from a movie where they were having a French kiss.
Okay.
And I remember very distinctly, I was just, I think, 6 or 7, 6 or 7 years old, and I wanted to try. I wanted to try it. And
Wow.
like just imagine at that age, right?
Yeah.
तो अगर अब मतलब एंड मैंने तो बस एक वीडियो देख लिया था, वो भी एक मूवी का सीन, उसमें तो कितना ही दिखाते थे, पहले तो इतना होता भी नहीं था कि इट्स लाइक ऑल
Hmm.
there out there, but I was curious to know how it feels. So definitely if our child is exposed to like all of this content where there everything is happening, not everything is happening, but like uh, clothes छोटे पहने हैं या
हाँ,
फिर they're getting
क्लीवेज
attract.
दिख रही है.
हाँ.
It might not seem like a big deal, but it's not appropriate for a child that age to watch it on screen.
Hmm.
अगर हम बाहर गए हैं, किसी को ऐसे कपड़ों में देख लिया, that's okay.
Yeah.
But when you're watching it, you feel that TV is my me time, और उसमें मैं कुछ भी देख सकती हूँ. That whole world, कि मैं इस वर्ल्ड में डूब के आई कैन जस्ट गो गेट लॉस्ट इनटू इट
Hmm.
without anyone else knowing about it.
Hmm.
That is very scary at that age.
Yeah.
एक टाइम होता है यार, teenagers, when we become that age, हो जाता
And I
है.
think that teenage is going to a like वो lower हो गया है bar.
हाँ,
अब it's more like 10, 12. It's
teenage,
tweens. It's become
yeah,
tweens now
yeah.
where they want to explore, which I'm very scared about that age. But we'll get to that later when both of
One
our
step at
kids,
a
yeah,
time.
are at that age. But yes, it is scary to even give them the phone. So I think just monitor what they're watching, and on big screens is
Yeah,
good.
yeah. So ये सब तो बातें हो गई कि हाउ डज स्क्रीन टाइम अफेक्ट देयर ओवरऑल हेल्थ,
Hmm.
मेंटल, फिजिकल. बट नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द सॉल्यूशन कि
Yeah.
कर क्या सकते हैं
हाँ,
ऑल्टरनेटिवली.
आज के ज़माने में जहाँ it's impossible to limit it,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So I think one thing that has really, really helped us is switching the same content that she has been watching on screen to audio. And from a very young age that happened. So जब मैंने उसको मिस रेचल दिखाना स्टार्ट किया, I think she was around 1ish, तब and she used to love it. So what we started is even when she was on a stroller and हम लोग बाहर stroll पे गए and we know that she's getting cranky, so we used to just put it on our phones, and she should
Hmm.
just keep listening to it, and she used to fall asleep also listening to Miss Rachel. So that has happened. And now of course she's grown up, so it's not Miss Rachel anymore, there are other things. So like she used to watch Peppa Pig a lot.
Hmm.
So Peppa Pig ka bhi now they have audio books. So that has helped. So initially what I did was I used to give her a speaker, and जैसी स्क्रीन टाइम मतलब स्क्रीन टाइम रोज तो मिलता ही नहीं था छोटे में. So I used to be like, okay, give that speaker, and मैंने अपने phone से connect कर दिया, and she can just keep hearing to the stories.
दैट्स अ वेरी गुड आइडिया
Yeah.
कि फ़ोन पास में रखने की भी ज़रूरत
ज़रूरत
नहीं
नहीं.
है।
It's just a Bluetooth speaker. They can just take the speaker wherever they are, and they're just
हुँ,
listening to the stories. And she would just be in that story land listening to it and,
या
like sleeping. So even now, it's the same. Now I found like many good podcasts on Spotify actually. I'll mention them all. They're
या
really good.
वी लिंक द एवरीथिंग
Yeah,
इन द
and the best part is
डिस्क्रिप्शन।
they're not very long. They're just like 10-minute or like
हुँ,
8-minute, audios, and very good ones. Like for sleep also they have, and they have for like the daytime, and they're just like regular ones also. But the best part is that some of the characters which you are watching on screen, unki bhi audiobooks hai. So then you want
ओके,
to listen to it more.
या,
And I feel in a way it helps because it's helping with their listening skills,
या,
so then they are very consciously listening to every word that they are talking.
या,
So I think that's a very good idea. And also I have this small box called Tony Box. Now it's available in North America as well, where it's like a box and you keep changing the characters on top. So for example, if it's a Mickey Mouse character, so you'll have a Mickey Mouse story, or if it's a
ओके,
Peppa Pig character, it has a Peppa Pig story,
ओके,
or Frozen, or whatever.
या,
And
या,
it's a portable one, so kids are very intrigued
हुँ,
with like, okay, this is my own speaker, so they're
या,
happy with it.
या,
So I think that really helped in my case. So now also whenever I feel कि अब screen time नहीं देना है, I'll be like, okay, why don't you listen to this in audio?
हुँ,
Even during like our car rides also, मैं वही चीज
हुँ।
लगा देती हूँ, and it's touchwood working for us till now.
Yeah, and that's also good because when they're watching screen, there's so much of like visuals going on in front of them that
Hmm.
they completely zone out from
Zone in.
everything else. But audio में ये होता है कि visual नहीं है, so it kind of sparks that curiosity and that imagination in their head
Hmm.
कि अच्छा ये कैरेक्टर अभी ये कर रहा होगा, ये ऐसे बोल रही है तो ये ऐसे जा रहा है, ये
Yeah,
कर रहा है।
imagination I think increases. Their
Yeah.
imagination
And
increases.
also listening skills,
Yeah.
because now they don't have anything to look at. They just have to listen and visualize
And
it.
I've noticed she even asks questions now, because जब वो screen में देखती है, she knows, okay, for example, pond. So she knows, okay, this is a pond because she's seen it on screen.
Hmm.
But when she's just heard a word and she's like, oh,
Yeah.
mama, what does that mean?
Yeah.
So that's such a nice thing that kids are learning how to question, and
Hmm.
questioning is a very good
Yeah.
habit. I
That's
feel
the best way to learn.
learn. Yes.
So yeah, so of course, like because screen में अगर pond दिख भी गया for example, तो she will not even remember the word because वो screen में दिख रहा है visual.
Hmm.
But here, when she's listening to it and she can't see it, she can't put like an image to that word, then she'll ask you. So definitely that
Yeah.
helps.
But how does it work for you? Because I know like you don't have help with the kids. So then while you're cooking, or do you turn on the TV? Like how do you do? How do
Yeah,
you
I
manage
did
it?
turn it on, but I kept it as a last resort when
Okay.
nothing else worked. Like एक रामबाण था वो हमारे लिए कि कुछ नहीं है तो लास्ट में स्क्रीन देंगे.
हाँ.
But apart from that, I would take them out. I feel like अगर आपको दिन में काम करना है and if you don't have help like I didn't, I would take them out. Like I've
Okay.
taken them everywhere. Like I had started a business of like clothing. So I used to import clothes from India and then sell them here. तो उसमें मेरा एक shipment कहीं पे अटका हुआ था.
Hmm.
And my younger one was just a year old just before she started daycare. तो मैं उसको वहाँ वेयर हाउस में ले गई थी
Hmm.
मास्क पहना मतलब मैंने मास्क पहना था and I took her there. It was during the pandemic. So I think like it's fine. Just let them observe. And I think जब वो बाहर ज़्यादा निकलेंगे ना स्क्रीन टाइम का वो अट्रैक्शन थोड़ा सा कम हो ही जाएगा naturally.
Hmm.
I've taken her to the bank. I've taken her everywhere possible, wherever it was safe for me to take her.
Hmm.
Another thing that helped me was when I had two kids, the sibling pairing was is a great way to entertain each other.
Yeah.
I feel चाहे जो भी age gap हो doesn't matter. In my case, the age gap was small, so I did have problems initially. But I think post the age of 1 year, when they start walking and थोड़ा थोड़ा बात करने लगते हैं, I think it's they can connect and like they can speak their own in their communicate in their own language and figure things out. And I think it also helps with sibling bonding a lot.
Hmm.
तो
So
अब
now they just play with each other and
yeah,
yeah.
they are like they have their own stories to share. And सुबह अगर जल्दी भी उठ जाते हैं, and sometimes if we want to sleep in, or if we are working out, and if they wake up early, they know कि हम अपना workout कर रहे हैं, they'll go and they'll start playing with their toys, or they'll play the piano. They do their own thing.
Hmm.
So that's what helps when you have siblings, I feel.
Okay,
Because when
yeah.
it's a single child, they will obviously need the parent,
Hmm.
because what will they do by
Yeah,
themselves?
like of course now I have a child on our way, but until 3.5 years,
Yeah, you know how it
yeah, it's
was.
so it is difficult to entertain a kid. So you have to be up with them. You have to be with the kid all the time. Either it's me or my husband or my in-laws entertaining her. Of course, but the last resort comes to, like TV.
Hmm.
So another thing that I think really works is jo tantrums bachata is like not showing them long form content.
Hmm.
So like now we've come to this thing ki okay, this is like a 20 minutes episode and iske baad TV off hoga,
Hmm. And
right?
the best way for that we implement that is we just put a timer on Alexa or Google or whatever you have,
Hmm.
कि और बच्चों से ही करवाते हैं कि यू सेट द टाइमर, और जब टाइम बजेगा वो, तो ऑटोमेटिकली दे नो नाउ।
Hmm.
वी जस्ट रिमाइंड देम, आर यू लिसनिंग, इट्स रिंगिंग, और वो अपने आप बंद कर देते, इवन इफ दे डोंट
Nice.
लाइक इट। बट नाउ इट्स लाइक, दे हैव सेट दैट rule, they have set that time limit, so they have to follow it.
Yeah, I think that really works. So like those short videos like of 20 minutes or whatever is much better as showing them like a full long form content on YouTube where it's just running, running, running.
Yeah.
So, and coming to YouTube, I hope you guys know she has a YouTube channel where she shares animated and kids stories. It's called
Yeah.
Amu and Anna.
Yeah, so it's inspired by my own children, Myra and Anaita. So I combined it, and it's called Amu and Anna.
Hmm.
And I
And
it
that's also like short
yeah,
stories.
yeah, they're like 5 6 minutes or up to 8 minutes, but
Hmm.
they're just regular stories. But it's in the characters are based on my own kids, so they are the ones who start the story, and that's how the story progresses. So I make them listen to those stories at night. I don't play the screen, of course. I don't show them the screen. I just like play the audio version of it, and they like it.
Hmm.
So please do check that out as well.
Yes. But I think we covered everything, and definitely tantrums are there. Like my daughter is still in that phase where जब टीवी ऑफ होता है उसको बहुत meltdowns होते हैं. She's like 5 minutes more and 4 minutes more. She doesn't know five is
Yeah.
more than four. And I'm like, I've given you 4 and 5 and 20 and 30 minutes. तो वो meltdowns काफी होते हैं उसके. And there are times like these days where while coming back from daycare, she kind of falls asleep in the car because it's a long drive. And यहाँ तो अब 5 बजे अब अंधेरा हो रहा है. So she
हाँ.
feels, oh, it's night time and she kinds of doze off. But when we get her out of the car and she's of course नींद खराब होती है and then she's so cranky. So
Hmm.
then, sometimes we have to be like, okay, चलो उसको टीवी दिखा देते हैं because dinner नहीं करा. And like
Hmm.
dinner takes over the screen then because that's
Yeah.
more important for a parent. I feel कि बच्चे ने कुछ खा लिया हो before sleeping.
Hmm.
So yeah, at times that happens, and it might happen with you also, where you're like, "Arey, you're busy somewhere, you're working, or you're maybe even out at the gathering, and you're like, "Arey, ab main kya karu?" So you would want to resolve to the screen, and I feel it's completely fine.
Yeah.
But just keep monitoring. That's the most important thing that we want to deliver
Yes.
through this podcast
If
today.
there's one takeaway that you can get out of this podcast, and that we'd like to share and communicate, is that please monitor your screen, whether it's the shows that they are watching, whether it's the timing of the show, or what kind of medium they are using. It's a phone, tablet, TV. We would highly recommend stick to TV or tablets when you're moving, but
Hmm.
definitely not phones.
Yeah. I hope this was helpful and some of our tips and tricks helped you guys and made you feel that you guys are not alone. Like we
Yes.
always try to tell you that you guys are not alone. We're all in this together and we're all facing all of these issues every day.
Yeah.
So do like the video and do share it with all your other parent friends.